Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Wacom 1 digital touchpad. Let's go ahead and unpack it.
So this is a red color one, and the model is CTL 672. Um, this is the medium one. The size is a little big compared to the small one, and if you see it is looking good, and the active area is uh, more compared to the small one. With respect to the accessories that we have in the box, we have the standard USB cable to connect the pad to the laptop, and a few spare nibs and the ring to change those nibs if necessary. Um, and what else we have? We have the digital pen. So this is battery free, and the tip will wear out when we start using. That's when we can use the spare nibs. There are two buttons for shortcuts. The pen is looking nice and feeling good. It's feeling like an actual pen, and I think it will be good while we draw it in the pad. There is a small manual showing how to connect to the laptop and changing the nib, etc. Okay, let me unwrap it from this transparent sheet. So you can see the model here is CTL 672, and it's a red color one. There is a small uh, tag just to insert the pen so that it can stay over there so you don't miss the pen. The diagonal area is coming around 26 centimeter. So if you wanted to convert to any other units, you can just use this measurement just uh, for your understanding how big it is. Uh, the length is coming around 22 centimeter, and there is 14 centimeter width.
Okay, that's all about the unboxing. I will meet you guys again in another video showing how to use this digital pad with Windows application. Until then, goodbye. Please subscribe to my channel, Gopi 2020, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.